इस टाइप के जो इश्यूज हैं और इस टाइप के जो टॉपिक्स हैं वो आजकल काफी ओपनली पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग एज वेल. वी कैन
Yeah.
टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट सेक्सुअल इंटिमेसी इश्यूज.
But having said that, I really feel that this was going to happen because Jay and Damini have a very different dynamic, you know.
Yes.
इस फिल्म में बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से उसको एक्सप्लेन किया गया,
जी.
बहुत मजेदार तरीके से डायलॉग्स में कैरेक्टर्स क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, आंसर्स मिलते हैं.
It is also very important with the posh and various other measures that should be part of any workplace, but especially the work we do, because actors are very vulnerable and they're many times put in a spot where they can be really vulnerable irrespective of their gender.
Genuinely speaking, when I
Yeah.
said कि rom-coms आजकल वो नहीं बन रही हैं, because rom-coms are a genre that need to be updated with time, right?
Hi, this is Shayoni,
Hi, this is Pratik. Hi, this is Danish.
and you're watching us on IWM Bus.
Firstly, big congratulations.
Thank you.
नानी सर, मैं आपसे स्टार्ट करूंगी. फर्स्टली you're bringing something unique that all something modern generation is need this kind of movie because modern problems है तो modern solutions भी चाहिए. To bring this modern solution, is it challenging from your side?
Yeah, making the film is not challenging.
Yeah.
Getting a concept like this together, it's exciting, I think, more than challenging is what I'd say.
True.
Because I feel there are two things. One is that it's a rom-com, it's an urban rom-com. The kind of movie that we've kind of, that has almost faded away from the Indian cinema landscape for over a decade now. There used to be a lot of these back in the 2000s. So I feel I was kind of excited to bring that back because globally as well, I feel there's a massive audience for this, which is
Yeah.
missing this kind of cinema that used to be made. And in the West, though it started in the last 2 years,
True.
rom-coms have suddenly made a
Yeah.
resurgence and are big hits,
Yeah.
and people are discussing them, water cooler conversations. So one idea was that to make a rom-com which belonged to that era, but the second part, which is related to the second point that I'm making,
Yes.
rom-coms also need to be constantly updated.
True.
You can't just make it the way it used to be made 20 years ago. They need to be updated because they reflect the society and the times that we live in. मैं 5 साल पहले intimacy coordinator was not a profession that anybody knew of, for example. So इस टाइप के जो issues हैं और इस टाइप के जो topics हैं वो आजकल काफी openly people have started discussing as well. We can
Yeah.
talk about mental health, we can talk about sexual intimacy issues a lot more freely than we did 10-15 years ago.
Yeah.
So I feel all of those factors kind of combined to create a situation where this story could be told. The story could not have been told,
True.
5-10 years ago, perhaps. And I wanted to tell this story. I wanted to make a rom-com that belonged to that old school kind of
Yeah.
filmmaking, but updated with a modern language, with modern problems, with characters who are relevant these
Yeah.
days. And all of these things happen to come together at the same time. तो चैलेंजिंग तो नहीं था, एक्साइटिंग बहुत था. अब लोगों का रिएक्शन देखना है इज द चैलेंज.
But don't you feel there will be a mix reaction from the audience? No, there will be a Desi audience also for this, and their reaction will be something different.
I feel every product in the age of streaming and OTT has mixed reactions these days.
True.
For the last 2 years, I've been doing this experiment. I've challenged everybody. Name any show or film. I'll find you one review that says it's the best thing ever made, and I'll find you one review that says it's the worst thing ever made.
True.
Every single product that has come out in the last 2
Yeah.
years, I've applied this to, I've done a Google search and I've found a review that says that. So यार different opinions तो हमेशा होती हैं. The beauty of streaming, the beauty of OTT is that it has reduced the pressure of making everything a 4 quadrant product जो सबको अपील करनी चाहिए. A center में भी, B center में भी, C center में भी. Niches exist, and in streaming the advantage is that if you make a product that applies to a certain niche, as long as that number is big enough, you will find your audience. And I feel इसके लिए there is an audience that's been waiting.
Yes.
पिछले जब से मैंने ब्रेक के बाद बनाई थी 14 साल पहले, I've been hearing constantly in the last few years कि यार उस टाइप की पिक्चरें क्यों नहीं बन रही हैं, वापस क्यों नहीं आ रही हैं. And I feel that audience is there. And that audience is very much there in the digital space,
Yeah.
rather than the theatrical, and they are waiting to see a product like this.
Yeah.
तो मार्केट मिल जाएगा. कुछ लोगों को अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, कुछ लोगों को अच्छी लगेगी. होपफुली जिनको अच्छी लगती हैं विल आउट नंबर द वंस जिनको अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं. मैं एक रिव्यू इस पिक्चर के लिए भी आपको ढूंढ के दे दूंगा जो कहेगी बहुत ही बढ़िया है, और एक रिव्यू जो कहेगी बहुत ही घटिया है.
Jay and Damini are back. बट विथ न्यू कैरेक्टर विथ न्यू स्टोरी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना अलग देखने को मिलेगा इस बार?
क्या
Best-
अलग है?
काफी अलग है।
सब अलग है।
काफी ही अलग है।
प्रैक्टिकली ऑपोजिट्स प्ले कर रहे हैं हम, मतलब
Yes.
जे का ऑपोजिट और दामिनी
Exactly.
exactly. But I think we carried our amazing energy we shared on set on promo shots. We carried that energy to Khwabuga Jamila, and I think we get on like a house on fire. I think हम लोग इतने used to हो गए हैं अभी काम करने में कि it's just literally a muscle memory, you know.
Yeah.
I think we complement each other really well, and we understand each other's
True.
ticks and how
We can preempt each
we can
other's
preempt definitely preempt each other's ticks, and I think वो धीरे धीरे समझ में आता है यार, इतना काम करते हो कि अच्छा इनको क्या देना चाहिए कि उनका और परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाए या उठ जाए या फिर and vice versa, you know what I mean? You understand that, and I think uh, it's been a riot, if I may.
Pratik, but we
It's
have
always a riot with Shayoni. And with Danish, of course, he's the. I mean, I am the addition to this friendship. ये पहली
जी।
ये friendship पहले से established है. मैं addition हूँ.
You're the golden angle in the triangle. I
But-
just want to say, I was on the sets of Fomo Shots with Pratik. In Mukesh Mills, we were shooting.
हाँ.
And I already knew, you know, that I was going to do the film, and I knew Danish was looking for his Zubin. And Zubin is one of the coolest parts, but also really off-center parts that, you know, and he was really looking for the right person to come and, you know, become Zubin. And I remember sitting, and he was doing his shenanigan, you know, I mean, Pratik being Pratik,
Yeah.
and, you know, and I'm observing him, and I'm like, he can be a really good Zubin. So I remember sitting right there looking at him, messaging Danish, saying, what about Pratik, you know? And he's like, yeah, actually, you know, and then, you know, it just sort of...
We must give credit to Shayoni Gupta Casting Company.
Thank you very much. But I think I'm good with, like, I keep recommending actors, even for stuff that I have auditioned, I've recommended, you know, other people and all. But having said that, I really feel that this was going to happen because Jay and Damini have a very different dynamic, you know.
Yes.
And it's if something could be like polar opposite to Jay and Damini, it's Zubin and Ruby. And yet, because we were so comfortable with each other, it was like, oh, different day, different character, but same person.
Same
True.
person.
So it really,
Same energy.
yeah, and it
You
was
know?
really beautiful
Yeah.
because we really,
Same. Which is, I think we share. I think all of us, rather, we're extremely passionate people when it comes to work. Like, this man he's a militant. I mean, not like in a
in a very good
in a very good way. Oh my God! I'm sorry. You know what I mean. In the best way possible. What I meant by militant. ऐसे नहीं कि वो military. ऐसे नहीं कि वो military ऐसे नहीं कि लेकिन उनका तरीका की मतलब वो बहुत पैशनेट है काम करते हैं वो एक्सप्लेन जब करते हैं सीन जब एक्सप्लेन करते हैं एक्टर को कैमरामैन को लाइटमैन को स्क्रू को वो बहुत पैशनेट है खुद से एक्टिंग करके दिखाते हैं यू नो व्हाट आई मीन वो बहुत कम डायरेक्टर मिलते हैं जो खुद से एक्टिंग करके दिखाते ऑफ कोर्स ही डज
to you, not to me. No, but honestly, I just want to say that Danish Aslam, because he's been a fantastic first, for many, many years, he didn't have to do it, but he was really single-handedly sort of running the set. And he was
Yes.
not just the director,
Yes.
he was also...
I am available as the first AD.
I need you. No, but you know, he was so good, and honestly, I've known Danish as a friend. We had never worked together. And to see this part of Danish, and both Arpita and I, who is another friend who happens to be also the writer, one of the writers on the film, Arpita and I have one night in London we've spent like 3 hours just talking about praising Danish, okay?
Oh.
And we're like, thank God Danish is not around to hear because we're never gonna say these things in his face. But he was fantastic. Like now I can say it.
I think we shared that. We
But
we shared a
Pratik, we
common.
have never thought you in a bhola bhala character. Like no, you have been there.
माय फ्रेंड पिंटो नहीं देखी है उससे ज्यादा भोला वाला तो मैं मतलब जिंदगी में नहीं हो सकता कोई और मैंने बहुत बुरा परफॉर्म किया लेट्स नॉट स्पीक अबाउट दैट फिल्म लेट्स स्पीक अबाउट दिस फिल्म
बहुत अच्छा
But काफी opposite character हमने देखा because we have
जी।
always loved your dressing sense during
जी,
your
I would-
movies and
I would-
all.
I would-
This time is
जी।
completely opposite. क्या
जी।
कहना चाहेंगे?
जी बिल्कुल and I would also like to believe I'm the complete opposite of Zubin who is very bad in bed I really hope that I'm
Yeah.
the opposite of that
Well, none of us
But-
can testify.
Part my research involved talking to Priya extensively.
no but jokes apart I think ये एक्टर की खूबी होती है यार कि
Yeah.
अलग अलग किरदार निभाओ और अगर एक्टर को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है इतने वर्सेटाइल होने की वैरायटी चूज करने की अलग अलग किरदारों की तो यार आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ एक्सट्रीमली लकी
Yeah.
बिकॉज लोगों को आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स मिलते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज बट सम पीपल डोंट हैव दोस अपॉर्चुनिटीज वेयर
Yeah.
you just have to kind of stick to your stereotype क्योंकि बस चल गया एक कहीं फिल्म में चल गई तो वो करना पड़ता है यार पैसे भरने बिल भरने
जी।
सॉरी पैसे कमाने बिल भरने I'm very fortunate. I consider myself very fortunate that I had an opportunity to play this. I thank Shayoni. I thank Shayoni Gupta Casting Company and my
A
direct.
lot of money.
I thought you all have alternate careers. Like,
Yeah.
first lady, she's a casting director.
मेरा alternate career का है मेरा है ही नहीं alternate
Factory, bhai.
career. No, but
You can be a stylist. You can be a good stylist.
really
Yeah.
I've completely lost a chain of thought.
That's right.
But
We all love each other.
we yes listen we all love each other and नहीं like, you can see how much how much fun we have बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती हुई है set पे touchwood
We can see that now.
No, honestly, one thing which was very important for me, and it is, when you work with friends, it's very different, right? I have mostly, worked with somebody and then become friends. But when you work with friends, there's always that ki yaar friendship na toote, And thankfully, the friendships, if I can speak for both of us, has only gotten like deeper,
Yeah.
and there's more
100%.
understanding. So that's really, I mean, wo to,
so we
ऊपर वाले का-
sorry
No, it's fine.
to
You can cut me all you want.
got you but we so Danish and I started off as colleagues if I may because we
Yeah.
we work in the same institute and now I do consider you my friend sir
Oh, he didn't know.
Acha, I'm supposed to.
no I'm just, no I do consider
Really?
this man a very dear friend
Yeah.
and his wife and his kid his and his daughter is amazing
That part I.
Yeah, second.
Your profession जो आप दिखाने वाले हो शो में वो काफी अलग है.
Hmm.
आई थिंक इंडिया के 50% लोग को आइडिया भी नहीं होगा ये प्रोफेशंस के बारे में. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जब वो देखेंगे उनके रिएक्शन काफी अलग होंगे, जैसे कि मिक्स होंगे, एज दानिश ने बोला. How your
I don't think mix hoga unka reaction. I think ye in terms of profession, it's a relatively newer profession,
Yeah.
a relatively newer concept in our country, that of an intimacy coordinator. But I have worked with various intimacy coordinators through the various films that I've done, or in fact on Fomo Shots we had
Yes.
Astha, who was the first one in India. But back in 2013, like I was saying today, that we worked with somebody called Monsoon Bissell in New York during Margarita with a Straw. Both Kalki and I worked. We worked with Adil Hussain, who was not just workshopping us, for our characters, but also the intimacy part. So I think it's globally, it's always been there.
Yeah.
A lot of things were not like it happened abroad, but I think it was really needed that we needed somebody like you call a coach, like an action coach, an action director, and he has his safety measures. For example, you call a dance choreographer, and so even intimacy and those kind of scenes are really like an action or a dance sequence. You choreograph it. You also understand boundaries, which are very, very important. You understand consent, which are very, very important, which is in a very, like, it's always in a gray zone, in our country, where it's like, ha chalo ho jayega. That's not how the approach should be. And the people who are involved in making the scene, which are the actors and the director, need to be all on the same page.
True.
And you need to know what exactly is happening, so there is no room for misunderstanding, or that sort of creates confusion. So I think, that's why it's a relatively newer, but I think now it's come to our country, and many people are
Yeah.
doing it. And I think it is also very important with the posh and various other measures that should be part of any workplace, but especially the work we do, because actors are very vulnerable, and they're many times put in a spot where they can be really vulnerable, irrespective of their gender. So somebody who sort of keeps an eye on everyone's well-being, and looks at nobody's getting exploited.
Yeah.
So those kind of things. So and I'm really glad to actually probably play an intimacy coordinator, like the first one probably on screen, at least
First
in the
one, first.
country. I don't think yeah. Yoo! Thank you, Danish.
लिम्का बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए अप्लाई करना
But your current movie got hit on or not? So क्या कहना चाहेंगे? पंजाबी आपका डेब्यू काफी पसंद किया गया है.
Actually, apparently hit like globally, which is amazing. And interestingly, I had, when I went and did the film, I was really excited also to do, because a lot of really good work is happening in regional films. But when regional films have that, because we have such a huge diaspora
True.
outside the country, and it's massive apparently. I mean, of course, one knew about UK and Canada, but also Australia and New Zealand had such a huge, like, it's such a massive hit over there. But because of FOMO shots, it's very strange, but people know my work in that belt as well, and like sort of in other parts of the world, and also in Australia. So when I visited, people would stop and like me in roads and stuff. Yeah, I got called for an Australian quiz show to be like a guest judge, okay? And I had no idea. And apparently they're huge fans of the show.
That's amazing.
And for this film again to have sort of done well, it's amazing, because that just means that the more people who watch our work, it's just building a fan base and an audience base who will see your other work. So I hope all of them also watch Khao Ka Jamela.
able to go to Melbourne anytime. Just say
Yeah, right?
ready.
Should we make a sequel in Australia?
Maybe I'll-
But what do you guys prefer, like modern love or old school romance?
Are you asking me?
All three of you.
I think both
yeah.
have their unique charm. I think both
Yeah.
have the unique charm. Also, can I add? I wanted to add something.
Yeah.
The question you asked about intimacy coordinators and it not being such a known thing. And
Yeah.
will the audience accept it? How will they accept it? Will
Yeah.
it? इस फिल्म में बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से उसको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है.
जी.
बहुत मजेदार तरीके से डायलॉग्स में कैरेक्टर्स क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, आंसर्स मिलते हैं, और बहुत ही मजेदार लाइट हार्टेड तरीके से आपको ये प्रोफेशन आपको समझ में आए.
जी.
Because
Yeah, it's-
Zubin is actually a proxy for the Indian audience in the film.
Yes.
अगर आप देखेंगे,
Yes.
the questions
He's
that he
representing
asks,
all Indians.
yeah, the question that he asked when we wrote it, when I wrote his lines, I wrote it from the perspective of ये इंडिया है, अभी इनको आप इंटिमेसी कोऑर्डिनेटर कैसे समझाओगे? और जुबिन वही सवाल पूछता है और रूबी वही जवाब देती है. So I don't think
matter of fact, Nufar
Yeah.
I don't think confusion will be a problem.
That won't be a
True.
problem. It's very, very, very
Thoroughly explained.
thoroughly, nicely explained in a very fun way.
Yes.
Modern love or old school?
Both. Both have their unique charm.
So have you written letters? Like, have you written some letters to your old?
Or new, or present.
यार सब किया है यार, सब किया है. let us be, let us
तो tattoo
मुझे
करवाइए भाई।
टैटू करवाए, टैटू के ऊपर कवर कर करके कितने मतलब हाँ
P वाला।
पीस है
PB.
पीस है
Yeah.
but love is love, old new, love is love.
I think answers for all of us, no? You
Yeah.
have some tippani. Also, their love story is quite. Who had in a year they have some 10,000 anniversaries. Danish and Shruti, yeah, and they're very cute. I
Yeah,
mean,
that
yeah,
is-
they're
Yeah, they
they're very cute and
Couple goals.
couple goals, touch wood, and
Him and his missus.
I mean,
yeah, and Danish Aslam is very lucky. He's a very lucky man to be married
I
to
second that.
Shruti Seth, who's
Yeah.
a fantastic, stunning woman.
as you can see, Shaya was a closer friend of Shruti's than mine, and has been paid to say this.
But now you have
Also,
to
Shruti
give
cast me in this film.
but now you have to share a mantra जो एक strong relationship को आगे बढ़ाती है.
Always say really bad things when you wake up.
Always make sure that there's a door that you can close on the other person and hide behind. We've been together for 19 years, trust me on this. Always ensure that there's a, and although we've never followed this, try never going to bed fighting.
Although we never follow this.
We don't always follow this, but
Yeah.
it's a thing to keep in mind.
No, absolutely.
Kafi, it's a nice line.
Absolutely.
But आजकल relationship को काफी new way में describe किया जाता है.
Situationship.
Situation.
Ghosting,
That's-
breadcrumbing, and all. So
Breadcrumbing.
Yeah.
Ooh.
yeah.
What is bread?
So all
Behind
this
a
stuff.
trail, like Hansel and Gretel.
Yeah.
I'll explain it to you later off camera.
So how you want to say, Gen Z को क्या एक मैसेज देना चाहोगे जिस
ये
तरह से
मैं-
रिलेशनशिप को आगे बताया जा रहा है आजकल.
मैंने
या-
बहुत 1 घंटा और 59 मिनट्स का मैसेज बनाया है उसका नाम वो का झमेला है प्लीज देखिए दैट इज माय genuinely speaking when I
Yeah.
said कि rom-coms आजकल वो नहीं बन रही हैं because rom-coms are a genre that need to be updated with time right
Yeah.
वो बदलता रहता है उसका लैंग्वेज बदलता रहता है ये पिक्चर उसी आज के जनरेशन के लिए ही है फॉर एग्जांपल the problem that he faces and the way that they deal with it and Shayo's character for example and Kobra's character these are all issues that we wouldn't have spoken about 10-15 years ago right but now we want to we're very open about it my daughter's 10 she already knows a lot of things that we didn't know back in the day like divorce is a concept for example there are many classmates she has who come from single parent families there are I think 1 or 2 who come from same sex families as well now
Yeah.
these are concepts जो हमको समझाने पड़ते हैं when we were kids library जाके ढूंढना पड़ता है कि इसका
Yeah.
मतलब क्या होता है आजकल वो पता है so I feel that it's easier to talk in that language because that is the language that they're speaking
Yes.
the language of love keeps evolving
Yeah.
which I think Imtiaz did really well in Nawajkal 1 where you see the contrast between how old school to answer your previous question old school and modern love
Yeah.
the language keeps evolving and films and the stories that we tell also need to keep evolving to reflect that which is what this movie is an attempt at
Yes.
तो
And
ये है मेरा जवाब उधर है
Ditto.
Pratik,
convenient
any one mantra you want to share for a strong relationship? No?
don't get the tattoo of your girlfriend's name on anywhere on your body because you might have to replace it later
Yeah.
Yes. It's very valuable advice.
Do not tattoo anybody else.
Do not tattoo any dogs only.
yes
Dogs and children only.
yes correct 100%
No, but jokes apart. I think I'm going to steal Danish's answer.
Yeah.
Never go to bed fighting. Always resolve the argument or the fight.
Oh, long lasting. I just feel that, when you start a relationship, the red flags that you tend to ignore will remain the red flags for the rest of the period and just become bigger red flags. So just do not ignore the red flags
True.
at the beginning.
Thank you so much, guys, and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.